Hey guys, it's Soso and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I had to flick that notification away. Anyways, today I have for you a one brand Maybelline tutorial. All the products I use are affordable and they're from the drugstore, obviously. And I did also use this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, which is so pretty. And I really like the look that I came up with. So if you want to see how I achieved it, then just keep on watching. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't wait to put makeup on because I feel a little bit, I wouldn't use the word sick. I don't like to call myself sick, but I feel a little bit congested and I've had a lot of breakouts recently. It's more than I've had in a really long time. I'm trying to figure out the problem. As you could see, they're all near my chin area. I changed my pillowcase because mine was dirty, so that could be it. Let's jump into this. Okay, I'm not gonna touch my hair so much this video, or try not to touch it at all. I already noticed myself doing it. Let's start the one brand Maybelline tutorial. First, I'm gonna prime my face with Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth. I haven't used this one in a long time just because I was trying out all the other ones I had. I'm gonna take about that much. I'm not gonna be stingy with it. And hopefully this will smooth out all my pimples, but I don't think I'm gonna get that lucky. Next, I'm gonna do my brows off the camera, but I'm going to use Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo. Once again, I haven't used this one in a while, but it's pretty good. It just doesn't have a spoolie, so I'm just gonna have to use something else that has a spoolie. So I'll be back so you can see the difference in my brows. Alright, the eyebrows are done. They're a little bit dark, but what's new? I kind of always make my eyebrows too dark, but the Brow Wiz from Anastasia really helps me not do that. But this will do. By the way, this is my Dunkin' Donuts iced pumpkin spice iced coffee. So all you do is pour it over ice. Let's do the foundation. This is the Matte and Poreless. I got a shade that is my non-tan shade. This one is soft tan. Yeah, I already know this foundation is bomb. I hope this color works for me right now. The only time I was tan this summer was after Grease. After that it was no more. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. I'm pretty sure. Wow. I think I already got enough to cover my whole face. I'm gonna use my Eco Tools sponge. Oh yeah, this foundation is probably medium coverage, but it doesn't leave you too matte. It is just a very nice finish. Let's move on to the concealer. I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I have two different shades. This one is a lot older. I don't know if I'll use it. This one is medium and then this one is light. Let me see which one will look better. Maybe I will just use medium. Oh! The applicator for this is kind of crazy. It gets really messy and kind of gross feeling, but hopefully it's sanitary. Not today, Satan, not today. Okay. I like the coverage this gave me. I just look nice and bright and awake. Moving right along, let's set all these areas so I don't get greasy. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium. I've also been trying to use lighter pressure when setting, especially my under eye. I got that tip from Nicole Guerrero, one of my favorite YouTubers, and I just feel like it looks a little more flawless when I'm using lighter pressure. Ah! I need a tissue. My nose is leaking. Ugh, I need a tissue, guys. Ugh. Alright, I had to stop the leakage. I'm going to take this, my trusted e.l.f. complexion brush, and lightly set the rest of my face. Alright, you guys are going to kill me because I don't have a Maybelline bronzer. Eek! That's the only thing I don't have. I was looking for some at the store, and there is a palette that has a bronzer in it, but like I didn't really care for the rest of the like highlighter and blush that was in there. And then there was another one called like Master Contour that had like 4 different like contour and bronzer things, but I was like, I don't need all of these. Like I really will most likely just use one, and I was just being a little too frugal, guys. So hopefully you don't mind if that's like literally the only Maybelline thing I don't use, and I'll still use like a NYX one, which is like affordable. So let's add that bronzer really quick. It looks like this. You guys, September's coming to a close, and then we're moving into Halloween season, which is my birthday month, which Halloween is my birthday. I don't know if I've ever said that before, but hopefully I can have some Halloween incorporated videos. I just don't feel like I'm good at costume makeup, or like, was that what you call it? Costume makeup? Like, I love watching those tutorials. They're so cool. Once again, Nicole Guerrero has like some of the best, literally. Also, Desi Perkins does too. Maybe I'll do at least one this year. I'm gonna challenge myself. Let's start with the eyeshadow. I don't want to do anything too complex, but I am going to use this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. It is rather summery, but whatever. You can wear these tones any time of year. I've already used this a few times, and I really like it. There is some fallout, but at least the shades are pigmented, kind of except for Berry Ice. This one doesn't like give me personally a lot of pigment. But I really like the shimmers. I think they really just make your eyes pop. So let's get started. Also, I love this transition shade, Sweet Tea. Or you can use it for other things, but I use it for my transition and I just love it. Let's start with Sweet Tea. Well, I know the lip color I want to use. It's like this hot, vibrant pink. I'm trying to do a look that revolves around that. And I've been loving this Morphe M433 blending brush lately. I feel like I just wasn't using it right before, and now I feel like it's just perfect. See how like quick I'm getting my crease color done? OMG, guys. You know that I don't play. I still haven't done an About Me video, guys. Would anyone be interested in it? I feel like I have a lot of interesting facts about me, or I'd like to think that. Alright, that is good for our crease. Let's go in with Ice Pop. Let's just use the same brush, and I'm gonna just try to keep it a little lower. Ooh. So I'm just trying to keep it a little bit lower than Sweet Tea so you can see the gradient effect. But I'm definitely gonna be layering this because I want it to be seen. Ooh, baby. Baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Is that intense enough, guys? Okay, lid color. I feel like I want to use citrus. This one right here. Most likely, I will use my finger because that always seems to work the best for me. And I always get the most pigmentation. But I think these shimmers are so pretty. Oh my gosh, Maybelline. Y'all did that. And I feel like this look isn't taking very long. So it's definitely achievable. Oh! I did get a little shimmer in my crease. That's okay. We'll just blend it, blend it, blend it. Smooth out the edges. I'm really glad I tried Ice Pop, because I was kind of just sticking to like Sweet Tea and the shimmers. I did use the yellow one time, which is called Lemonade Craze, like the name of the palette. And I did like that. I just like this palette. I think it's like $10 and I'm so glad that I purchased it. Do I want to use any old-fashioned in the outer corner? Alright, I'll try it. I mean, I guess it can't hurt. Just to like give it a little bit more dimension, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. blending brush. Just pat it onto the outer corner like so. It will give us a bit more dimension. I don't want to kill the pink vibes. Does anyone know what's in an old-fashioned without Googling it? Let me tell you, that is a strong drink if you didn't know. I'm gonna actually do my lower lash line now. Get that out of the way. Let's just go back to Sweet Tea right quick. And I'll just use this. That came in my BoxyCharm a while ago. It was like a set of 3 eye brushes. And I do like this one for the lower lash line. I want Sweet Tea to be like blown out a little more, so I'm gonna switch to this fluffier brush. And then I'm gonna use the other brush for the other colors. The next color, what was it? I used Ice Pop, and I'll just try to keep it closer to the lash line. Does it look okay? I feel like all my colors just get jumbled together, even though I try to use different brushes, so I don't know. But we're gonna do it. Kind of want a little more old-fashioned now. This is old-fashioned, guys, in case I didn't say that. Sorry, I'm a little foggy today. Ooh, I like this. Now that I've like deepened this up and everything, need a little more blendage in this area. But I really like the way this look is turning out. I really, really like it. I'm going to move on to winged eyeliner. This is a complete first impression for me because I've never tried it. I saw it in the commercial and I was like, ooh, let me get that. This is the Master Precise All Day Liquid Eyeliner. I have already used the Master Precise before. I don't know if it's like repackaged or something, or it's just supposed to last all day, but hopefully it's just as good as the one I used to use because I really like that one. Oh, I gotta go pee. Alright guys, so these are the wings that I achieved with that eyeliner. They're not my best wings ever, I feel. It's not bad at all, but I actually like the original Master Precise better. It was just easier. This one tugs at the skin a little bit, so I couldn't get like as sharp lines as I wanted. Anyways, I just came back from the store because I realized I didn't have a pencil liner, so I picked this up, and I also picked up a setting spray because I didn't want to cheat even more, you know. I'm gonna open this guy up. So this is what it looks like. It is called Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte Pencil, I guess. So this one is actually waterproof, and at first I was like, oh wait, let me go and get the non-waterproof because it's so hard to get off. But I realized if it's for my waterline, I kind of want that to stay on like for a long time. I feel like it'll be okay. Ooh, this is going on nice and creamy. Oh my gosh. I think I really like this guy. And it was only $5, ow, at Target. Oh, okay, I really like this. I just like picked this one really quickly and it is a winner for me. I'm gonna put on some blush now. This Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Peach. It does have a sheen to it, almost like a highlight. Let's just put some on. Ooh. Alright, I'm getting a little heavy-handed. I do like a lot of blush though, but I don't need to go crazy. Do you see what I mean by like the sheen? It's like a pre-highlighter. Alright, real quick before my makeup starts slipping and sliding everywhere, I'm going to use the setting spray I just purchased. Wear Boosting Setting Spray. Translucent, oil-free. It looks like this. The cap doesn't really stay on, so it just like popped off like whoop. That's a packaging fail, but whatever. I'm gonna do this before mascara so it doesn't like bleed. That's a refreshing mist. I like that. So let's throw on our mascara. I got the Colossal Big Shot by Makeup by Shayla. I've used this one before and I just decided to repurchase it because I do like it. I kind of like bounce around from different mascaras, you know? Someone remind me soon that I gotta get an eyelash curler. But see, this mascara is pretty good. So our last two things are the highlight and the lipstick. Let's do the highlight. This one is also fairly new to my collection. It's another Master Chrome highlight. I love the shade Molten Gold. And this one is called Molten Rose Gold. So it has pink undertone, and since I have some pink going on, I figured I might as well throw this on. And I don't want to go too crazy since my blush already has a sheen, but a little bit of this. Let's highlight the inner corners. So the last part is the lip color, and I did have this shade. I got the Vivid Hot Lacquer, which I've never tried, and the shade is called Sassy. Is this a lipstick or a gloss? I like that lip color. I was really looking for like a standout hot pink. Is this even pink? Or magenta? Is it pink or magenta? I don't know. This is the completed one brand tutorial minus the bronzer, and I really like the way it turned out. I hope you did too, and I hope I gave you an idea of how to use this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette if you have it. I think it's a great investment because there's just a lot of other looks you can do, and the colors are really pretty. So thank you so much for watching as always, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video and would like to see more. Leave any comments, bring them on guys, come on, let's talk, let's chat. All right, my outros always get way too long, so